Hello and welcome to your first day in Blender 4, the perfect starting point for beginners in Blender. This course is aimed at complete beginners, offering a comprehensive overview of Blender's interface, navigation, and essential tools. Whether you are interested in 3D modeling, animation, motion design, or video game development, this course will give you the foundational skills needed to get started. Throughout the course, we will explore Blender's interface, going through each and every step together, from navigating the 3D viewport to manipulating objects, applying materials, and much more. We will also cover the basics of some of the complex topics such as lighting, rendering, materials, etc. to get you started. We will finish this class by creating a minimalistic and abstract scene in Blender using the things we learned throughout the class. We'll play with shapes, lighting, and composition to create something visually striking and end the class by taking some final renders for our project. So I hope to see you there in the class. Thank you.